People lazy. Consumers are the laziest people in the world. And so the more they don't have to do to get a desired result, oh, we all for it. So of course they're going to push bankruptcy. That doesn't require any accountability. It doesn't require them to change a mindset or a pattern or a behavior. So of course they're going to be all for it.
So, all right, my kid, tell me something.
Mhm.
Credit repair, is it a scam?
It can be. It's
Mm.
probably one of the most profitable scams in the personal finance arena. And it's mainly because nobody understands how it works. If you're like me, and grew up in like the inner city, I'm from Baltimore City public school system. We don't even learn about financial literacy. Like that's
But
not like a subject.
hold on, I got to do something. I got to give you the horns for just coming out and being fully transparent about how the industry you work in can be perceived as scammy, and how you go a better way. You go more the educational route. So you're from
Oh
Baltimore.
yeah. Oh yeah.
I don't know if this is good or bad, but I just started rewatching The Wire.
Oh, everybody. As soon as I say I'm from Baltimore, that's the first thing I'll think about.
I know,
Oh
I
my
know
God.
that's corny. I know, but I love the show. I love the show. But with that said, right, what about credit repair is scammy in your opinion?
The person doing it. And this is like this with most service-based companies, but it's all about the person doing it. And I always tell people, is credit repair a scam, or are you being scammed by somebody who does credit repair? If you, and goes back to one of the basic tenets of what I teach, is no matter if you're hiring somebody or you're doing it yourself, it's very important for you to understand the basics of credit literacy. Because if you understand how credit works on a foundational level, then you will be able to spot these scams a mile away. If you Google hashtag FCRA on TikTok, you see the dozens of content creators who are repeating the same scripts over and over and over and not answering no questions in the comments. It's like text credit to 67767, right? And it's like, if you take the time out to learn the basics of credit, like what is it and how is your credit score calculated, you will instantly be able to identify these people and point them out.
So wait a minute. I thought it was me. So they are saying, the people I'm talking about, the credit gurus, they are saying the same thing, right?
Listen, on my TikTok, if you go on my TikTok at themoneyplug.co, which is also my website, I have a playlist, and it's to catch a credit guru. For a minute, I called myself the credit repair Chris Hansen, right?
I saw that.
And so I literally went around exposing a lot of these creators, because during the pandemic, everybody was looking for a quick hustle where the minimal amount of work could produce the most money.
Yep.
And credit repair was one of those businesses, because you don't need a degree to do it. A lot of states don't require any kind of certificate or bond or insurance to get into the industry. And so it was a quick avenue for quick cash. And so all the courses that were coming out were all saying the same exact thing. If you get on social media and say this, you're going to get all these clients. And they all start off the same way. Did you know that the FCRA says that you don't have to pay these items back? And it's always the same: collections, evictions, student loans, those buzzwords that really get people, oh my God, I don't want to pay this anyway, so let me just listen to this right here. People allow that desperateness to get out of a situation they created to kind of cloud their judgment and go with it. And that's how those people get popular and make all these millions of dollars right before the feds pick them up.
Yeah, I mean, I'm even seeing people are proposing or endorsing filing bankruptcy to get out of their credit problems, which is problematic in my opinion. But
that's a fact. That's problematic. It's not an opinion. That is a fact.
Yes, I mean, yes, but people are like okay with it, and so that's why I said my opinion, my educated opinion.
People are, and I tell people this all the time when I'm on live on TikTok. People lazy. Consumers are the laziest people in the world. And so the more they don't have to do to get a desired result, oh, we all for it. So of course they're going to push bankruptcy. That doesn't require any accountability. It doesn't require them to change a mindset or a pattern or a behavior. So of course they're going to be all for it.
Well, listen, I'm glad you said it, because I say it all the time, and they're like, Kamari, you just want that respectability politics stuff. You just hating on people. Don't hate on people. Get it how you live it. And I'm like, yeah, I'm cool with that too. But at the end of the day, karma is karma. It's going to catch up with you. you do bad, you're going to get bad at some point. So I'm so
Exactly.
happy that somebody else besides me feels the same exact way.